Good morning, Timothy. Ron at Burtness Chevrolet. Going to do a quick video walk around on the 2019 Chevrolet Blazer RS. Okay, Carfax certified, one owner, all-wheel drive. That RS package, you get the black badging, black bow ties, black rims. Okay. You do have the turn signals in the mirror as well. Keyless entry. Take a quick look on the inside here. Okay, memory seats. I don't know if you can see this in the RS package. Okay, you've got the red piping, stitching. Okay, all part of that RS package. Red accents here on the dash as well. Heated steering wheel. Okay, heated, cooled seats, just to name a few. All right, wireless charging for your cell phone. We do have a push-button glove box as well. Right, sunroof. 20,766 miles. Very nice, clean vehicle. Let's take a look in the second row here. Okay, cell phone charging for the second row as well, for tablets, phones, what have you. All right. Alright, again, here's some more of the black badging. Okay. Let's take a look back here. Power liftgate. Okay, adjustable cargo. Okay, this bar right there will go forward, backwards, will lock your cargo in so it does not slide around on you. Here's the tracks for that. Okay, on either side you can fold down your second row seats just by a flip of the lever. Okay, they do lay flat. Close this for you. Again, 2019 Chevrolet RS all-wheel drive Blazer. Certified, one owner. Quick back around the front. $39,988. Any questions? My name is Ron here at Burtness Chevrolet. Give me a call, 608-879-2973. Ron at Burtness Chevrolet.